Hello guys and welcome back to Gadget Grasp 101 channel. Today we are going to be learning how to fix Android package installer not working. If you are experiencing issue with the Android package installer on your phone, there could be various reasons behind it. Here is a step-by-step tutorial to help you to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. Check phone storage. For that, open the phone setting and tap on about phone. In about phone you can see here storage. Tap on it. Ensure that your phone has enough storage space to install the app. Check for app compatibility. Verify that the app you are trying to install is compatible with your device and Android version. Check the app's requirements on its Google Play Store page. Clear package installer cache. For that, open the phone setting and scroll down. You can see here apps. Tap on it and tap on manage apps. Find and select package installer or Google Play Store depending on where you are installing the app from. In app info of Google Play Store you can see here storage. Tap on it. In the bottom you can see here clear data. Tap on it. From pop-up tap on clear cache. Reboot your device. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve installation issue. Restart your phone and try installing the app again. That's it guys. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please like and subscribe this channel and also don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.